Welcome back. ProgramixX here. C, a widely acclaimed programming language, is known for its robust support of structured programming, meticulous variable scoping, and direct mappings to machine instructions. These features make it a preferred choice for assembly language-based applications and a fundamental language in modern programming, with significant influence across various programming paradigms. Conceived by computer scientists Dennis Ritchie, Brian Kernighan, and Ken Thompson in the 1970s, C was originally developed for the Unix operating system. Over time, C has become a cornerstone in computer programming, serving as a template for numerous other programming languages, including the widely used C++. C's enduring popularity can be attributed to its adaptability and efficiency. It remains an essential tool in software development, from low-level system programming to the creation of diverse platform applications. C's versatile and influential nature continues to shape the field of computing. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, and consider subscribing to get notified to every new video from us.